because I'm working on my energy. Cleaning up, I'm taking care of myself and me. Drinking coffee, take a sip, they say I'm sparkling. Manifest it, write it down, you know it's happening.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be eating celebrity cheat meals for 24 hours. So I've been going to the gym for 2 weeks approximately and I've been eating really well for the most part. So I wanted to take this one day out where I just have a bunch of cheat meals, but not the cheat meals that I personally like, things that Bollywood celebrities like. So I've shortlisted 10 celebrities and I did a little bit of research on Google and I kind of wrote down all of their favorite meals. So I don't know how accurate obviously these meals are, but मैंने 3-4 websites पे cross check किया और सब जगह पे यही same meal था for that particular celebrity. So that's what I've done. I think that's basically it. Let's just get started with today's video. I'm so excited for today. I hope you guys are excited as well. Okay, so let's start off with Katrina Kaif. Her favorite cheat meal is pancakes. So I've ordered myself some pancakes right here with some maple syrup. I also really like pancakes, but I'm more of a waffle kind of a person with like maple syrup. But I'm happy with whatever I have. I'm really hungry right now. And the pancakes, I will say, smell so good. So while doing my research, Katrina Kaif ka sabse zyada prominent tha, like in terms of like consistency. Everywhere it said that she loves pancakes. And it's her favorite cheat meal. These are really good and really fluffy. I'm so happy. They taste really good. I'm very happy with my first cheat meal. And I'll see you in some time because मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है. So we'll hop on to the next cheat meal immediately after we're done. Okay, so done with cheat meal number 1, and if I had to rate this cheat meal, I would rate it like a 7 out of 10 because pancakes for me, they smell really good, but then the taste isn't as good as the smell or the aroma. खाने के smell को aroma बोलते हैं. So हाँ, but I liked it. It was really nice. But मेरा पेट अभी बिल्कुल भी नहीं भरा है. So we've already ordered for cheat meal number 2 and 3. Both. I'll show you why I'm combining those two cheat meals together. Okay, so cheat meal number 2 and 3 are here. Cheat meal number 2 is Ranbir Kapoor ka, which is a vada pav, and cheat meal number 3 is a samosa by Ritik. By Ritik nahi, Ritik ka favorite. So that is why I combined the two because like samosa and vada pav go hand in hand, and I love vada pav. Like I am obsessed with vada pav, but I need to have vada pav with red chutney. तो मैंने बहुत स्पेसिफिकली वो मंगाया. मैंने तीर्थ को कॉल किया, मैंने शिखर को कॉल किया, एंड देन मैंने मयूर भाई को भी कॉल किया. मैंने तीनों को पूछा सबसे बेस्ट वड़ा पाव और समोसा कहाँ से मिलता है, एंड देन वी ऑर्डर्ड इट. सो आई एम सो एक्साइटेड. आई एम लाइक ड्रूलिंग लोकी एट दिस पॉइंट, बट दैट्स व्हाट आई एम गोना ईट राइट नाउ. पहले मैं वड़ा पाव का लूंगी बिकॉज वड़ा पाव इज बिग. इफ यू डोंट लाइक वड़ा पाव, डोंट टॉक टू मी.
आधी बात मत कर. खुद भी चीट कर रही है, पब्लिक को भी चीट करवाएगी ना ये सब दिखा के.
I know temptation तो होगा. I'm so sorry guys. So done with my breakfast number 2, and this was my favorite meal so far, even though it was just my second meal. But I already know it's going to be like on top of my list. I'm gonna rate it like a 9.5 out of 10 because I love vada pav. I love samosa also. Samosa like reminds me of my bachpan. When I used to go to school canteen mein, we used to have samosa a lot, and vada pav is just, I'm like a Mumbaikar, like true Mumbaikar in that sense. I love vada pav. So I'm very happy so far. I'm gonna take a small break, give my stomach thoda sa break 1 घंटे का, and then we can move on to lunch. So on to lunch finally. It's 3 o'clock. Having my lunch a little bit late because we had 2 breakfasts today. But the next cheat meal is by Kareena Kapoor Khan. So Kareena Kapoor used to be like my favorite actress when I was growing up. So I was excited to try out her cheat meal. Now her cheat meal is called the Gorgonzola pasta. I hope I said that correctly. I'm actually going to read out what that sauce has, because I had no idea myself ki what this pasta was. So basically the gorgonzola sauce is a rich and decadent sauce made with minced shallots, so like onion looking vegetables, crumbled blue cheese and cream. It comes together easily after a quick reduction on the stovetop and perfectly served alongside steak, pasta, etc. So this is what it looks like. For some reason I expected it to be white sauce, but this is like pesto green sauce. I don't know why I'm nervous to try this out. I'm not the biggest fan. It's very like doughy, and also I'm not the biggest fan of like pesto sauce. All the best to me. Okay, lunch is done. I don't know what to rate it. Like I'll rate it like a 5 out of 10 because it's not my taste. That's the only reason. I did not enjoy this meal so far, but that's okay. At least I got to try something new, so I'm glad that I got to try something new. Okay, तो अभी शाम हो गई है. It literally looks like रात हो गई है, जबकि बजे है सिर्फ 5 बजे है अभी. And I don't mind it. I love it. I love like gloomy monsoon weather, even though it's literally in the end of September. October शुरू होने वाला है, but it is what it is. I'm actually supposed to go to the gym right now, शाम को. Usually I go in the morning, but today my trainer wasn't available, so I have to go in the evening. So I'm not gonna eat anything for like the next half an hour, just to give my stomach a little bit of a break. And आज I'm gonna have to like really burn out everything that I've eaten, and tomorrow also actually. But I think that's all I wanted to let you guys know. I'll see you after like 2 hours, and then we can continue having our cheat meals.
2 hours later.
So I'm back from the gym, and yes, today I did go to the gym with makeup on my face. That was very, very interesting. I was actually a little bit nervous pehle ki my makeup might like smudge and I'll look like a mess, but my makeup held up really, really well. And we were at the gym for 2 hours. Usme se 1.5 hours we were like working out. So it was an intense day, but my makeup stayed put. In case you're wondering, I was using the Max foundation, and they also have a mini now available, so I'll link it down below in case you want to check it out. Not sponsor, just wanted to like give you like an honest review. Now we can move on to the next cheat meal. I literally worked out for 1.5 hours, and now I'm gonna like indulge in some sweets. So the first cheat meal, this isn't like a meal, but it's like a sweet treat, cheat treat that Ranveer Singh loves to have, which is Nutella. He loves Nutella. Comment down below if you say it Nutella or Nutella. I like go between the two, but I couldn't find Nutella, and the one that I found was like this huge barni, और वो मुझे पूरा नहीं खरीदना था क्योंकि I would literally eat it. So I got this version, and I'm just going to scoop out the Nutella and eat that. And to go along with that, I am gonna have Deepika Padukone's sweet treat again, which is dark chocolate. She loves dark chocolate. I thought it made sense to combine Ranveer and Deepika ka sweet treat, obviously. So yeah, let's try it out. We all know what Nutella tastes like. It's too good. I haven't had Nutella in a while, and that's mainly because mera like personality is very addictive. So if I start having one thing, I can't stop. So I don't keep Nutella ghar pe at all, because I'm very capable of finishing the whole thing, and that too in one go. Also, I've been really enjoying this challenge, but one thing that I'm a little upset about today is that I could not have like my post and pre workout snack. Before I work out, I have banana. I love having like elaichi banana. And then post workout, we have like a big nariyal pani with malai in it, thick malai. So I couldn't do that because obviously today we're doing 24-hour like celeb cheat meals. So yeah, but it's okay. Moving on to this dark chocolate. I got 90% bitter intense dark chocolate from Amul. So Deepika ka actually बहुत सारे like sweet desserts थे like that she likes to bake at home. So I remember reading that there was cookies in it, there was also a brownie in it, and then there was dark chocolate. Dark chocolate काफी सारे articles में था, which is why I thought I should go with this. Similarly, even Nutella was there in a lot, like most of the articles actually for Ranveer Singh. That was like a reoccurring pattern, so I thought I should go with that because that seems the most reliable. I mean, I've had dark chocolate before, but I hope I like this one specifically because this is going to be such a good like replacement for when I'm having like sugar cravings. Because raat ko I have, oh my god, such intense sugar cravings. Throughout the day I don't care about chocolate. I'm not the biggest chocolate fan, but raat ko, oh my god, post 12 I'm all about chocolate. So I hope I like this. I mean, obviously it has a texture of like chocolate, not the taste of like regular milk chocolate. It is dark. I don't hate it, I don't love it, but ये अच्छा replacement है. इसको मैं रखने वाली हूँ घर पे. And I'm gonna try it out in the coming weeks. Does it like satisfy my cravings even if it's temporarily? Checking in literally 10 minutes later, मुझे इतनी भूख लगी, so I was like, let's just might as well like try out the next cheat meal because I have so many more like cheat meals to try out. Again, this is more like a cheat snack than like a proper meal, and this is Alia Bhatt's favorite meal. Cheat meal, which is to have French fries. Now this was again very consistent. हर एक article में आलिया भट्ट के साथ French fries लिखा ही लिखा था. I am not mad about this at all. French fries I love. Like French fries, if I could eat one thing for the rest of my life, it would probably be French fries. I love French fries, and I've ordered French fries from McDonald's because I feel like they have the best French fries ever. Comment down below where you think like which place has the best French fries. So मैं खाने वाली हूँ मैं. एंड बेसिकली आज जो सारा वर्कआउट किया था वो पूरा पानी में मिट्टी में मिलने ही वाला है, बट दैट्स ओके. आई एम एक्साइटेड. आई डेफिनेटली कैच यू गाइज नाउ फॉर डिनर ओनली डायरेक्टली. थोड़ा मैं खुद को कंट्रोल करके रखूंगी एंड देन वील रीग्रुप फॉर डिनर. ओके, सो इट इज 11 o'clock. फाइनली थोड़ा सा भूख मुझे लग रहा है, सो वी गोना हैव आवर डिनर एंड ऑल्सो आवर थर्ड लास्ट चीट मील. But before we get started with that, I just want to let you guys know that there's an offer running on simbalifestyle.com. So basically, you can buy a combo of 3 crop tops. As you can see, I'm wearing the Black Forest crop top right now. But you can pick any 3 colors of your choice and you will get a total of 250 rupees off on that combo. Similarly, you can also buy 3 joggers, any 3 joggers of your choice, and you'll get 300 rupees off on that combo. So definitely make the most of it while it lasts. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Okay, so talking about the cheat meal, this is Akshay Kumar's favorite cheat meal. So this is green Thai curry. Now, if you know, like if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I do make Thai curry quite often. But one thing that you might not know is I make it for my friends and family. I never really eat it myself. I don't know why I don't like Thai curry. So this is going to be interesting for me. But let's try it out. I've actually never had green Thai curry. Like the one that I also make is like red in color. So, ooh, smells actually really nice. Oh my god, this tastes so good.
So does your own Thai curry.
Thanks. Okay, I'm excited about this. I'm very happy about this. मैं अब भी rating दे देती हूँ because I really enjoyed this already. Like I'm enjoying it already. I'm gonna give this a 9.5 out of 10. Like you have to try it. It's so yummy. Very yummy. I love it. Okay, makeup is off. I could not wear makeup any longer. I've had a long day. So anyway, let's move on to the next cheat meal. Again, this is like a dessert. So we have jalebi right here. This is Priyanka Chopra's favorite cheat meal. Again, cheat treat more like. I really enjoy jalebis. Right now, I'm not super excited about having this because मेरा पेट थोड़ा गुड़गुड़ करना start कर चुका है. So pray for me in the comment section down below. But anyway, I'm gonna still obviously eat some jalebi. When it comes to jalebi, I really like orange color की jalebi like this one. I cannot have yellow color ki jalebi. I don't know why. And also I can't have like soggy jalebi. I need my like jalebis to be like crispy and like firm. You know what I mean? And thankfully ye wali hai. So my god, these are actually really good. The sweetness is perfect. There's a crunch. There's like a slight rose ka flavor also. This is actually so good. Oh my god. Next time whenever I'm like craving jalebi, I'm gonna order it from this like specific place. So good. I'm gonna rate this like a 8 out of 10. So good. Love it. Now on to the last cheat treat. I hope you guys don't hate the lighting, by the way, but this is genuinely what I have on at night, like late at night. So the last cheat treat is Disha Patni's favorite. So this is red velvet ice cream right here, and I am actually really like, I have really high expectations for this. I don't know why. I've never had red velvet ice cream. I don't think I have. So this is gonna be my first time. This is really good. Thoda sa like alcoholic taste hai. I don't know why, but other than that, it tastes very good. I will rate this like a 7.5 out of 10. Pretty good. Like I don't love it also, but it's really good, like manageable hai. If I had to like summarize this entire challenge, I would say my favorite like cheat meal, cheat treat were vada pav. Sorry, I just can't, like, I have to give in and say vada pav. And also jalebi. Like, I wasn't expecting myself to like jalebi as much, like a cheat treat, but I really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed Thai curry also. I actually love doing these like food challenges every now and then, is because I get to like taste so many new things, you know, and get to experiment. So I had a blast. I feel like this was one of the most fun videos that I filmed in my entire birthday series. And with that, actually, this is the end of the birthday series. I did not remember, like, while filming the video during the day, that this was going to be my last video for the birthday series, but it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching all the videos that we created for this month, and thank you for showing me all the love. I'll see you next year for my 25 birthday series. Obviously, I'll see you in October only, probably, but you know, you get what I'm trying to say. Subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.
I'm working on my energy, cleaning up, I'm taking care of myself.